Still on the first part, introducing the Ichimoku Kinko hue indicator and the Ichimoku Kinko hue elements, Kumo now, or the cloud, how it is used. So we've looked so far. Let me try to modify the Kinjun here. So we looked so far at the red line, the Tenkan. We've looked so far at the blue line, the Kinjun. And now we are looking at the Kumo. All of the Kumo, or the cloud. This cloud can be only green or red. Green cloud signaling bullish conditions, as you can see here all over the screen. Take a look at what a beautiful bullish trending environment suggested by the Kumo, or the cloud with a green cloud, while a red cloud signals bearish conditions. This is a daily chart, but this is a weekly chart, sorry, but it is valid on the 4-hour chart, it is valid on the 5-minute chart, it is valid on all the time frames, as basically only the conditions are being changed. Now, one of the most important characteristics of the Kumo, or the cloud, is that it is being plotted. All this information that you are seeing, for example here, it is being plotted and it is being known in advance by traders 26 periods ahead. Basically here at the 26th candle here. So all this information, the cloud, it is being plotted 26 periods earlier. It is extremely important because one of the main characteristics for the cloud is to offer support and resistance for future price action. So a trader has a visible idea, has an educated guess about the possible end, or the possible support and resistance area being given by the cloud 26 periods ahead. Now this is a 4-hour chart, but even on the 5-minute chart, you know the possible support area. 26 candles multiplied by 5 minutes, you have 130 minutes, an advanced idea about where the possible support and resistance area for price will be. Trading with the cloud, or the Kumo, should be pretty straightforward, as the majority of traders use the cloud as major support and resistance area for price. There are different strategies to be used, and we will cover the most important ones in the second part of this project that is dedicated to this subject. What is important to be remembered now are the following. First, the cloud color. Green, like mentioned earlier, signals bullish conditions, while red signals bearish conditions. This should be considered both for current and projected cloud levels. Now if you go on the current price, let's try to see the current prices here. Let's try to go on the time frame. It will take like that. So it is showing both the current price levels here for the Kumo. So it is bearish on the current price levels, and also it is being bearish on this time frame on the 4-hour chart, 26 periods ahead. The cloud color, it is red. This signals bearish conditions. Kinko, it is below the cloud. Kinjun and Tenkan did not cross to the upside, so everything seems to be bearish. Another interpretation would be the cloud price relation. When price is inside the cloud and the cloud is green, then the upper side of the cloud, the so-called the top of the cloud, should offer resistance. Take a look here. The cloud is green, price is coming inside the cloud, and the upper side of the cloud here should offer resistance. So what to do normally under such a situation, if you want to trade binary option, is to be engaged in buying puts as the testing of the cloud and then price hesitating as the top is a bearish signal. When price is inside the cloud and the cloud is red, then the lower side of the cloud, the so-called the base of the cloud, should offer support. The higher the time frame used, also the stronger and most powerful the interpretation should be. the recording that comes with this subchapter, this one that I'm doing right now, has the purpose of offering you a couple of examples of how the Kumo is being used, and what to be treated and what to be expected when price or other elements from the Ichimoku Kinko Hio comes and hit the cloud. As you can see here, even treated in relation with the Kinko, when the Kinko actually comes and hits the cloud here, even if the actual price goes above the cloud, but the Kinko, it is still finding resistance, and until Kinko reaches above the cloud, only then price is breaking to the upside out of this consolidation area. This one resembles with a bull flag, and the measured move for this bull flag has already been done to the upside. We're going to move forward now with the next element. We've taken a look at the Tenkan, at the Kinjun, the Kumo, and it is time to take a look at the Senko A, Senko B, and the Kinko, the all-important Kinko. Let's try to move on with the Senko A, and you will see that this one is basically the very base. The Senko and Senko A and Senko B lines are the very basis and the very important things to take into consideration when looking to establish the boundaries for the Kumo. So stay tuned, please, for the next recording.